Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and is your BMW X3M sound a little too tame, maybe a little too quiet? Let's fix that. All right, y'all, so we're going to be installing the brand new AWE SwitchPath exhaust with a non-resonated mid-pipe into this gorgeous X3M today. I've always been really surprised by this car on how relatively tame it sounds. It's got a fantastic motor, it's a great car, but even in sport mode, everything going, exhaust open, it's not quite as aggressive as I thought it would be. Well, AWE has decided to do something about that and has their brand new SwitchPath exhaust. I'm going to walk you through that whole install today. It's going to be really straightforward. I'm going to show you every step along the way so you can do this work yourself. Make sure to check out the second video that I'll have for what it sounds like, because I always get those questions. We'll have before and after as well. Today we're going to focus on the install, so let's get started.